How to grow on YouTube. Since there are a lot of creators who make videos on this topic, then why is Algrow so successful? Why did Algrow get 50,000 subscribers in just 2 months and 3 lakh subscribers in just 1 year? On a surface level, it might seem luck, but after studying the channel, I came to know that Algrow has a 4-step formula which he uses in 90% of his videos. And this 4-step is so important that Algrow could never grow without it. If you also want such success on your channel, then watch this video till the end. Starting with step 1, red-green thumbnails. If you go to Algrow's channel, then you will see that in 99% of his thumbnails, this high-contrast red and green color has been used. But why? Is red and green Algrow's favorite color? Of course not. The reason behind this is simply to reduce decision time. In simple language, assume that Algrow's audience is used to red-green thumbnails. That means you clicked on Algrow's thumbnail for the first time, because of which you got to see a good video, so when next time YouTube will recommend you a similar thumbnail video, then your decision time will reduce and you will click on that video. And this cycle keeps on repeating. But how do we apply this advice on our channel? Should we also start using red and green thumbnails? Not at all. This will make your channel's views even more calm instead of increasing. Because red and green thumbnail style has become a brand because of Algrow, and people will think that you are copying Algrow. All you have to do is to maintain consistency in your channel's thumbnails. Like, decide a color scheme and also a font that you will use in every thumbnail. Color is not that important, but same font in all the thumbnails is crucial. This will make your viewers understand that the thumbnail is yours, which means reducing decision time. Even if your thumbnails are not like Algrow's, you can apply this advice. Like, look at this example of Mr. Beast. Thumbnails of all the videos are so consistent. By the way, another reason why Algrow uses red color is color psychology. Algrow has discussed this in his video, so you can watch it. Okay. This was about thumbnails, but if people leave the video in the beginning, then audience retention will be reduced. Which brings me to step number 2, creating intros with a need. So, if you are a YouTuber, then you must be aware that in the first 30 seconds of the video, how important it is to grab viewers' attention. And where most YouTubers use their videos as a fancy intro or, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's start." Whereas, Algrow uses the first 30 seconds like a mastermind. In short, with the help of his intros, Algrow creates a sense of need or an important question in the minds of viewers. And then he guarantees his viewers that if they watch the video till the end, then they will get the answer to that question. If it is still unclear, then watch the intro of Algrow's video yourself. How to grow a fake channel on YouTube. Full video on this topic will come soon. But before that, the biggest problem with fake channels is that there is a lot of competition here. Even if you make the best video, the market has become so saturated that there is no benefit, but there is a way by which you can increase your views by more than 50%. So, what is that way? Let me tell you. Okay, I hooked the viewers in the intro, but what about the rest of the video? This is step 3, building the hype. To understand this step, we have to watch Algrow's video for 12 seconds. Let's see. No, I am not going to tell you to make a good title, make a good thumbnail, and make good content. I am not going to tell you this. In fact, I am going to tell you 4 practical tips, out of which my favorite is going to be no. 4. Rest. Let's talk about step 1. So, if you noticed, Algrow said that he is going to give us 4 tips, and his favorite is tip 4. The reason why Algrow told his favorite to tip number 4 is because tip 4 comes at the end of the video. This means that if you want to know Algrow's favorite tip, then you have to watch the video till the end. And that's how Algrow makes sure you watch till the end. This trick is called end reward or payoff. And Algrow has literally used this in his 85–90% videos. In fact, if you noticed, I have also used this trick in the intro of this video. Not only this, there is a line that Algrow uses in many of his videos to build suspense, and that is, let me tell you. If you are a fan of Algrow, then you will understand what I am talking about. So, let's finally come to step number 4, without which Algrow can never grow. And that is genuine content. I remember when Algrow was not on YouTube, then in the niche of how to grow on YouTube, there was probably a creator who actually gave good and practical advice. Everyone used to tell him to increase watch time, increase CTR, increase audience retention by 60%, but no one used to tell him how to do all this. When Algrow came, I was really happy that finally there is a YouTuber who is talking about work. And not just me, the whole community of Algrow agrees. I think Algrow was the first YouTuber in India who talked about lesser-known topics like ECTR, session time, color font psychology and thumbnails, and right editing style. If Algrow wanted, he could have made the title and thumbnail of every video clickbaity, like get 4,000 watch hours in 7 days and stuff like that. But he didn't do that. Even if the views come a little less, Algrow is building a community of viewers that trust him. And at the end of the day, that is what matters.